If your wallet's looking sad right now, just wait. I'm about to drop the game plan for squeezing massive gains out of a meme coin. Prepare for liftoff. Before we break down the strategy, you gotta launch your meme coin properly. And if you're stuck on pump fun, man, you're just doing it wrong, you know? So move on. When you pull up Photon and filter for pump fun decks, brace yourself for an avalanche of dog shit meme coins. Take a brief sight at Rocket and Meme Token just for instance. What's killing them? Pump funds become a free-for-all where any amateur can toss their garbage token into the mix. Flip to Radium and you'll see what real opportunity looks like. Competition? Basically zero. Just 5 new listings in 4 minutes. And here's the kicker. Traders are actually seeking out these coins. The liquidity metrics? Absolutely nuts. The reason for all this action? Launching requires real technical coding, separating the serious projects from the scams. That's what makes Radium the undisputed king. Now let me show you precisely how to get in the game. Okay, this is nuts. Let me introduce you to Launch Tool. It completely removes the coding barrier for Radium launches. We're talking full deployment in like 3 clicks. Been grinding this method for 30 days, and the returns are actually criminal. Scouted out an ideal celebrity logo on Google. What can I say? I've got a soft spot for funny celebrity coins. Jump into Canva, make a 128 by 128 project, customize it to your liking, then hit save. Done and dusted in minutes. After the logo creation, go over to Launch Tool. Fill in the blank tabs with your coin's details. Like, for the token name, I'll go with Johnny Belmar, and for the symbol, I'll use WELMAR. Next, we can add the description, but this time, though, I don't have nothing on my mind, so I'll just skip it this time. In this section, there isn't much else to do, just attach your logo for the token. Alright, so, about token economics, I never change anything, because that 1 billion token supply is a must, and you will see very soon why. So I'll keep these numbers exactly the way they are right now, and I'll click Next. We can change the creator's information in the metadata, but why would we? It charges a whole 0.1 Solana just to add any of our info in those tabs. If you're asking me, I would never give 0.1 SOL for such small changes. So I'll turn that thing off and go straight to the next section. The social media links section gives us an option to connect our active social channels like Twitter or Discord, for instance. But in the next sentence, it says that if we don't have any, we can easily move on, which means I'll proceed. I strongly need you to listen to what I have to say about this entire section. Do not switch off any of these, because if you do, things can go very wrong when buyers take a quick look at your token. Turning off the revoke update allows you to update the token metadata, the revoke mint allows you to mint more supply of your token, and the revoke freeze allows you to freeze token accounts of holders. Take a quick moment to think about what would happen. Actually, let me tell you. Buyers seeing that will automatically scroll away from your token and find another one to invest in. Why? It's a giant red flag in their eyes. Because how can they trust you when you have the power and allowance to change anything about your token at any time? I know, it's pure logic, but I really needed to point that out. Let those settings stay like that, and now we want to focus on doing the important thing, which is launching our token. Just stay still for a second, and the only thing you need to do right now is click confirm. Yeah, that's all it took, considering we're using a game changer, which is Launch Tool. Your coin is officially created, guys. You now have all the must-needed details for your token, but one thing is for sure. If the coin doesn't exist on the Solana network, we haven't done anything right. So the one thing that is a must for me is checking it on SOL scan. Well, that's great then, because our coin appears on the Solana network. But now, we have the next important thing to do. We need to have good liquidity for our coin so people can keep investing in it. When you go back to Launch Tool, you'll see the Create Liquidity Pool option. You only need to click it, and automatically, the Radium page will show up within seconds. Don't forget to connect your wallet. And after that, setting our own token as the base token is the only right thing to do at this moment. Hit that button, and you'll see the full menu immediately. But first, go to Launch Tool, copy the first address you see there, which is your token's address, then go back to Radium and paste that address in here. But even after that, there are some things we still need to do, like entering the symbol and the name for our coin. In the symbol bar, I'll type WELMAR, and in the name bar, just Johnny Belmar. Make sure to press Add User Token and click this button too, so we can change the supply amount. And we've got to do that in just this first tab, so add 900 million from the total 1 billion, and that's because that is the norm in the meme coin realm. Click the button under quote token and choose Solana, since that's just the standard. Just click the max symbol. And hey, don't be afraid of losing money because you won't lose a single dollar, and that's because you are the first investor. At least one sol for the liquidity is a nice amount, as it grabs buyers' attention. But that's just my strong suggestion. From the total amount, just cut down 0.2 SOL. If you're asking why, it's because of a fee you can see right here. And below, you'll find the fee tier. Just click on 2%. Go all the way up to check if everything is in the correct place. And if it is, we can initialize the liquidity pool. Just confirm. The pool is officially created, just like that. Quickly go to Photon, and the surprise will be waiting for you. Your coin will be listed and at the top. Let's check the chart for it now, though. Open dexscreener.com and I'll click this coin for example. It doesn't matter which coin you click, to be honest. When the loading finishes, go all the way back to Launch Tool and copy your coin's address, then delete the random coin's address and just paste yours. Simple as that. It will load any second. And yeah, here it is. All of these small transactions in the order book, bot trades. Don't let them distract you from spotting actual orders that will appear within minutes. I'll just lean back in my chair and relax a bit until I see some real orders showing up, honestly. And just like that, the first order landed in the order book. I'm sure we'll get more orders in zero time, though. At this moment, the liquidity is at $246 and the market cap is at $142. But I am absolutely sure these numbers will change in a good way. So let's chill a bit and see if that's true. Just as I expected. Another order just landed. We're doing amazing so far, not gonna lie. That order showed up only 18 seconds ago. In USD, it's close to $80, and in SOL, it's close to 0.7. Oh, I completely forgot to mention, you can abuse this method until your wallet can't even accept the big numbers you're making. So basically, you can do it unlimited times, as there are no limits. I was telling you, it's just an insane method, genuinely. Maybe we'll get lucky, maybe not. Let's wait and see the real outcome. We actually got the third order? Man, I thought we wouldn't. And by the way, take a look. Made just 18 seconds ago, and it's worth 0.63 SOL. But you'd miss the most exciting part if I didn't show you. This token was paired only 15 minutes ago, and when you look at the chart, it's raised a total of 765% from the beginning. These numbers make me very satisfied, so let me show you how to rug the coin and take your profit. Watch this. Open Radium and connect your wallet, of course. Then click on Standard, down here, and you'll check out your current status. Then let's just click the minus symbol here. Then slide the slider to 100% so we can remove every single penny that we can. Don't let these big numbers fool you, though, because this is what you're actually getting in total. So, after all of that, just hit Remove Liquidity. Simply confirm. It says, Remove Liquidity confirmed. So let's see if we got the total amount transferred into our Phantom wallet. Yep, we absolutely did. I made a total of $180 pure profit. Quick info, I have no association with Launch Tool, Photon, or Radium. Everything you have seen is solely for educational purposes. The clock's ticking on this golden opportunity. Trust me, might work today, might die tomorrow. Either way, you shall better milk this for all it's worth right now before it disappears, guys.